Today, we're talking about soy and its amazing health benefits. Soy is a pretty unique food. It's packed with nutrients and has some interesting effects on our bodies. Now, you might have heard conflicting things about soy, but don't worry, we're going to clear that up for you. For me, soy meat is easy breakfast food and quick to prepare. It also does not raise blood sugar. I also make soy roti or chapati by soaking soybeans and grinding it to a paste. Number 1. Let's start with heart disease. Soy protein can actually help lower your bad cholesterol levels. In 1995, scientific research showed that eating about 50 grams of soy protein a day could reduce harmful LDL cholesterol by almost 13%. That's like eating 1.5 pounds of tofu or drinking 8 glasses of soy milk. But don't worry, you don't need to eat that much to see benefits. More recent research has found that even smaller amounts of soy can help your heart. People who eat the most tofu and soy foods have an 18% lower risk of developing heart disease. That's pretty impressive, right? Soy foods are great for your heart because they're low in saturated fat and high in good stuff like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Soy protein has been shown to reduce bad cholesterol levels while maintaining or increasing good cholesterol. Isoflavones in soy may improve blood vessel elasticity and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. Number 2. Now, let's talk about hot flashes. If you're going through menopause, you might be interested in this. In some Asian countries where people eat soy every day, women have fewer menopausal symptoms. Only about 10 to 20% of Asian women experience hot flashes, compared to 70 to 80% of women in the US, but the research on this is a bit mixed. Some research have found that soy can help reduce hot flashes, especially when you take about 30 milligrams or more of genistein, which is a compound found in soy. Other research haven't found a strong link. So, while soy might help some women with hot flashes, it's not a guaranteed fix for everyone. Soy may support hormonal balance, which can benefit both men and women. Number 3. Moving on to breast cancer. This is where things get really interesting. Soy contains compounds called phytoestrogens, which are similar to human estrogen but much weaker. Some people worry that these might increase breast cancer risk, but most research show that soy is mostly protective or has no effect on breast cancer. In fact, a big scientific research in China found that women who ate the most soy had a 59% lower risk of premenopausal breast cancer. Another scientific research found that women who ate the most soy isoflavones had a 21% lower risk of dying from any cause after breast cancer diagnosis. That's pretty amazing. Wait, there is more, but do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. Number 4. But it's not just women who can benefit from soy. Let's talk about prostate cancer. Research have shown that men who eat more soy have a lower risk of prostate cancer. One scientific research found that men who ate the most soy had a 25% lower risk of prostate cancer compared to those who ate the least. Soy seems to be especially helpful in preventing advanced prostate cancer. Number 5. Soy products can support bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Isoflavones mimic estrogen and may help maintain bone strength, particularly in postmenopausal women. Number 6. Now, what about your brain? Some people worry that soy might affect memory and cognitive function. But, good news. Most research shows that soy either has no effect or might even be beneficial for your brain. One scientific research found that postmenopausal women who ate more soy had better memory and thinking skills. Another scientific research showed that soy might help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Number 7. Lastly, let's address the concern about soy and thyroid function. Some people worry that soy might interfere with thyroid hormone production. But, most research shows that soy doesn't have a significant effect on thyroid function in healthy people. If you have a thyroid condition, you might want to talk to your doctor about how much soy to eat, but for most people, it's not a concern. This video is based on several research articles. The links are listed in the comments. Number 8. When it comes to weight management, soy is an excellent source of plant-based protein. It promotes satiety and helps with weight control. Soy foods like tofu and soy milk are often lower in fat than animal protein sources. Soy foods have a low glycemic index and help with diabetes management. They stabilize blood sugar levels. Soy protein and isoflavones may enhance insulin sensitivity. Soy is a complete protein, containing all essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. It provides essential vitamins and minerals like iron, potassium, and B vitamins. So, what's the bottom line? Soy is a nutritious food that can be part of a healthy diet. It might help protect against heart disease and some types of cancer, and could even help with menopausal symptoms. But, like anything, moderation is key. You don't need to eat tons of soy to see benefits. Try adding some tofu to your stir fry, snacking on edamame, or using soy milk in your morning coffee. Experiment with different soy foods and see what you like. Remember, whole soy foods are better than highly processed soy products or supplements. And if you're worried about GMOs, you can always choose organic soy products. Many stores now offer a variety of non-GMO soy options. So, go ahead and give soy a try. Your heart, your bones, and maybe even your hot flashes will thank you. And who knows? You might just discover a new favorite food along the way. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. On the screen, you see a few videos related to healthy foods. Thanks very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.